Welcome to 20 Minutes in the Shed, and I'm Carson Corbett. Today we're pulling Brock's motor out. Gardner. Brock Gardner's motor out.
Oh, that hurt. That really hurt.
Are you okay, Daddy?
Shh, don't be weird, mate. Oh, today we are getting the motor out of the 12 because the 12 car is going. Getting picked up next weekend, guards?
Oh, yeah.
Respect.
We might have to undo that front plate.
No, leave that one there. Isn't the bolt out of it?
Yeah, just, I think it doesn't get higher. Could be wrong. No, it's just gonna come forward now.
Yeah.
That should be off. Yeah. Pull forward there.
I'm trying. Whoa.
Yeah, it's out.
That was a rocking
He's
arm.
definitely out. He's definitely out.
Just stand back a little bit, buddy.
Chris, you want to move these boxes and just let the car down a bit?
That's why you like to have it on wheels to roll it out.
Yeah. Just let the air jack down a little.
Probably the wrong way. Probably should have went down with the back. Whoa, where's this wire go? One wire there. No, it's power wire. It's running up to the alternator.
Okay, now. Makes the kill switches off, eh? Makes the kill switches off, those guys.
Yeah, it's off.
What's that? Yeah, just don't need to short it out for no reason.
Yeah.
There you go.
Funny.
Chill.
But there is a wire pulling very tight.
One thing.
That's not bad. First time pulling it.
When I put it in, I had no clue what was going.
That's just you every day, isn't it?
Oh, pretty nice.
What's that one? Can I put there? That one. That's you. That's fine. Got the mic. Do you have a cable tie left that I gave you before, or you need another one?
Just go a couple more for me.
What? I know what cable ties are.
We don't have a stand for it.
That's alright, do we have a box still? No. What's in the box?
Okay. Give it to Brock.
Yeah, it should be like a little gravel fish or something right by there.
I hope they're not. Is it okay if they're different sizes?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I mean, they love mine. It's pretty rough. Like, probably not as bad as when I had to drive when I went there, but
It's pretty rough.
probably still not as good.
Well done. You want to go us around,
One I prepared earlier. What else he's got to pull out? Gearbox and diff going out, or
Yeah.
We're taking diff out?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I thought he bought a diff.
Not off me.
Ah, I bought a diff off Chris.
Yeah.
Respect.
Oh, let's return on Jim hard up against the pancake.
We are getting very good at filming pulling motors out, just in case you're wondering. We've done a lot of that lately.
Real good at it.
Very, very good at it.
So expensive, you want it.
Brock Gardner, thinking he looks fancy and whatnot.
No, I reckon it looks worse.
Oh yeah, that's bad.
What is that? Go show the camera that. That's terrible.
Clamped up.
You know what that is?
What is that?
Not being able to get the right fitting. I like how Chris rips me off about his car. You take the panels off that thing, it's horrendous.
No, that's a beautiful looking race car, mate.
No, that one actually is a beautiful looking race car when you take the panels off that thing. No.
Does anyone want to have another mic? Because I'm just sitting here holding both.
Don't we have one on the cage? Oh.
Yeah, well, it's not very useful. Check it on the biggest. Oh, we forgot in the last video to mention Guards had a big win at Tamworth last weekend.
Yeah, he did.
Very impressed.
He beat Kurt, the sportsman.
Beat Kurt. Kurt come home second in the sporty, but you know.
We're actually so proud of Guards.
These
When he
guys.
got past Kurt.
These guys are my bestest friends.
Oi, how bad is it that we are your best friends?
These guys are my bestest friends in the world.
I hate this guy.
You can't go drive if you're too tired.
Hey, Dale, but Chris
Too tired?
couldn't stand me beating him at Tamworth last year.
Yeah, so he had the door.
Sorry,
the
what?
shit out of
Sorry, what?
it. Go have some fruit, mate. Watch that. That's sharp. So what are we doing with that? How are you taking that home?
Just put it in the back of Colorado somehow.
Let's get it in the car.
With no problem.
Sure. Leave it here.
Dad took our forklift to Lismore.
Back the ute straight in.
Wouldn't be the first time we've done that.
Oh, it doesn't have to go today. It just would have been handy, so I can just get it done.
No.
We got him too, I can't get a fucking.
Yeah, you got him like 3 or 4 times in a row. What an idiot.
Yeah, motorbikes. They're probably working out where they're going because they all go ride motorbikes up the.
I probably working out how far they're going to come back.
It's not going to fit inside that time machine, is it? Go over the corner.
Vacuum.
They actually sit respect.
Yeah, they just chill.
They are chill like that.
What?
Front.
What?
Otherwise it'll stay in the corner.
Guess
Tuck
what?
your pocket
Deserves
in
me
your
in the
beer.
bin.
Sorry, what?
Are you deaf, mate?
What?
You deaf?
What?
Well, Wally.
Look at him all spiked up. We need to get this fella a bloody haircut.
Is he spiked?
Home.
Need a comb.
He's Luke Combs. Do some in close filming this time. Guards, turn around for a sec.
What's up?
Look at that. That's a big hole.
Don't do
You are so white.
I know.
It's what Chris does, just leans on everything when he works.
100%.
Dale, why are you just letting your kid Miranda around in a race suit?
Because he... No, you're not taking the mic. He made sure he fitted it still. Because it's very tight. Do you make sure your boots and helmet fit?
Alright, this is going to be painful.
Okay, well...
I'll put my helmet on though if you want.
Shifters are in the box.
Box. Thought they were. Dale had them last.
They're both together in the
I don't
box.
know, that might have been a lie.
There's one over here.
I had them before.
There's one here.
I just can't get you there. You have to come loose.
Ah, so I did not have them last.
Oh,
Look at the side portrait on that thing. Oh, stiffed.
What? Oh, yeah. Bloody cold here, but too hot to have a jumper on.
I'll roll the jumper.
I don't know how I have a race suit on.
Where'd you put the flat blade, Chris?
Over here. In the grinder.
I reckon we're gonna rip this into about a 10-minute of this one, and
10-minute?
finish her up there.
There, in the grinder.
Because the 10-minute that we posted last week went pretty good.
Got 5 views.
No, it went pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Clickbait the shit out of everyone though.
Right.
What we're doing next season, the exact same as what we did this season.
Well, I'm not.
No, yeah, Guards is. What are you doing, Guards? You better tell everyone.
We're going to try a hand at, what is it, 360 LS sprint cars. Me and Kurt. So the rumours are true.
The rumours are true.
And I know what I'm going to try and do next year.
What?
Trying to win a race in my go-kart.
You better.
Yeah. What'd you say?
Try and win a race in my go-kart.
I'm sure that will happen, buddy.
Maybe.
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 Right, take your stuff off now.
He's ready to go.
Ready to rip.
He's ready to give it a hit.
I got my helmet up.
Yep. Do you have any shout-outs you want to say, Carson?
Shout out to my mom.
Yeah, take the mic. Go back a little bit.
Shout out to my mom, Taylor, Hessian's Auto Parts, Daniel Trucking, and
Rip it into the sponsors.
Hey, give it here.
Helping Hands, Butcher Photography, Fast Lane, CBR. I don't know any of the other ones. Red Point.
Red Point, yeah, thank you. Gotta get
Who else?
Gardner Automotive.
Who else up here?
already thanked Daniel.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I was second on the list after his mum.
Good man.
He goes, Mum, Daniel Trucking.
Perfect.
I've already said Butcher Photography.
What?
I've already said Butcher Photography.
What about
Butcher Photography.
Carson? What about Nan and...
Oh yeah, Nempa.
That's it.
That's all we got.
You have any friends at school?
Jaden, Jasper. Yeah, Daryl. Daryl the cat. Daryl the cat.
God.
Of course, I had to shout out to him. Dash.
Look at all the cats now.
Jade. Diablo. Clove. That's all of the cats in our family, though.
Yeah, the place is a bloody pet
Don't
zoo.
forget Snickers
Oh yeah, can't forget Snickers, of course.
and the roosters. Wake mum up every morning.
Yeah.
Just watched 3 minutes of Carson talking crap.
Carson talking about.
Hey, Guards, you're done?
I'm done.
No, I'm not done.
What do you want? You got 10 seconds.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
I'm
There you go. You can speak now,
Don't touch the
Mikey.
lens.
Guards, you got anything?
No, by the time you see this thing next, it'll be something with a wing on it, I guess.
What an idiot.
Gets half a duck.
Half a duck.
Half a duck.
Half a duck.
No, this thing will be a bare frame by the end of the day.
Oh yeah. Can I show them?
Nearly there now.
Can they follow me? Follow me, guys.
Why? You quickly, you gotta finish.
I like how he tries to
Um.
sneak you up, but he's still on film anyway.
Showing you my go-kart here.
I've seen you go-karts before.
We're doing this again.
Convinced to help.
Good old go-kart.
He's like right at the last minute, then tells him what it's about. Like, come out here, I want to show you something. I want to show him my go-karts.
He's lost it. Carson's shed of go-karts.
Yep. Just come through this way.
I'm not walking through there with the camera. You're done. So thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you everyone for watching. And this afternoon I'm driving my Swift. So that's why I'm already ready.
Oh, actually, if
Thank you, bye.